Slime. This is slime. Then, do you want to see it from the top? I have a dress on. So, okay, so I'm gonna show you my slime container. Wait, I already don't. So I have my blue container. Okay, I'm gonna put this slime. And I have this is my blue container. This is my slime. They go to it. This is my slime. Bye bye.